Hello everybody, this video is introduce how to install the OTA cloud service. Now first you should prepare the server. The server you can use the virtual machine VMware or virtual bus or server install. First we read the minimum server minimum spec. The server minimum spec CPU need 4 cores and the memory 8 GB and storage is 500 GB. And server OS system is the Ubuntu 40.04.4, and we should use the 64-byte PC image, and this is download paste on here. Now we can tell you how to install. This is install the procedure. First you should follow the server minimum spec, and then you should copy the OTA install file on server, and the others you should unzip this file on server. This is unzip command, and then final you should execute the quick installed batch file. Now we can demo how to install the OTA server. This is a terminal for server. This server is not installed anything. Now we should put this OTA installed file on it. This is zip file, and this is the server version, server OS version, Ubuntu 40.04.4, and then now we should install it. First we copy this command line. And then you should see it. This is build up the unzip the file on the www and this folder. You should enter this folder to check it. Now you should see the quick install folder in here. And then we should execute it. And then wait about the half hours, and then this job is finished. Now install is finished, and you can see the all the finished, and the final you see the update. This is time to update, and this means it's all finished. Now we can check the website is the build up success. First we can try this IP is the 172.166.2.1v1. This, and then we should use the port v11v. This is port, and this we can compare, and then we go to the website. Wait a minute. You can see the login page, and we use the default login, and this is password, and you should log in. Okay, first you see the login page is successed, and you can see this is your IP, and we go to HTTPS, and then we can see all the services running, and you get full count. And then we can, if you want to change your password, you can here, we go to account, and if you want to change password, you can here to change it. Now the OTA is installed finish. Thank you very much.